Hello, it's Kevin Prescott, Fine & Country Minehead. I'm here in Paganel Road in Minehead, outside this beautiful 4/5 bedroom detached home, situated within walking distance of the town, close to the seafront. Come inside and have a look around. So here we are in the impressive oak framed extension, which provides a super fitted kitchen with granite surfaces, integrated appliances, a separate dining area, comfortable seating area with wood burner, and of course the bifold doors leading out onto the south facing gardens. So here we are on the first floor, of which there are 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 of which are en suite, together with a separate WC. Thank you for having a look around this property. If you'd like any more information or would like to view the property, pop into the office or give us a call. Thank you.